Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC, guys. Getting ready to take up the E-Flite F-4U Corsair, guys, the 1.2 meter. Awesome plane. And full disclosure, I already did a maiden flight on it, guys, but I ended up deleting the video on accident, so this is actually going to be my second flight. So I know I'm getting behind on doing some plane flying, but we're trying to get back into it. But a big shout out to John Kelly. He gave me this plane, trying to make room for other stuff. So he asked me if he wants this plane, come and get it. I was like, heck yeah, I never had this on the channel. So, but anyway, guys, second flight. I think I already got it trimmed up most of the way. I might have to do a couple more clicks of trimming. Like I said, I've only flown it one time other than this flight right here. So basically it's going to be a Remaiden. But oh, and we're running a 3300 graphene battery. Show you where I got that at, guys. Maiden flight I did a 2200. And I wanted to see if I could get a little bit longer flight time. And we got Sky D in there, so we're going to be tracking the speed and all that good stuff. So, all right, guys, without further ado, let's get this thing up. This thing does like to nose over a lot, so if y'all got this thing, you already know that. So,
Flight mode 2.
All right, guys, taking off AS3X. Here we go, guys. About did it, didn't I? Just about did it. We're going to put the landing flaps in. I'm going to make sure right off the bat I got it trimmed. Yeah, it seems like it still needs a little bit of left. I was going to go ahead and get the landing flaps. We don't care about the takeoff flaps being trimmed right yet, but we do need the landing. I think it looks good to me, guys, don't you? Oh yeah. Slowing down pretty good. All right, guys, flaps up. Make sure this is trimmed up. We'll start flying. I can definitely tell it's a little bit more nose heavier than it was. Yep, need a couple up to click, couple left, and I think we'll be good. Let's let that settle in, see what it looks like. This is flaps up, we're just coasting. We're using 100% rates, 35% expo. I think we got her though. Maybe a couple clicks back to the right. Killer, guys. Let's do a speed pass. Since we got the Sky D in it and all that good stuff. Uh-oh, here comes Pilot Jim. Pilot Jim's supposed to be coming, so. You know how I do it, guys. We take it up and dive her. All right, guys, full blast. Let's bring her down. All right, guys, we're gonna stay in it. Do a big loop over. I hope I'm getting all this. See if it snaps. No, it does not snap. Let's take safe out. Our safe, guys, check it out there. See, safe's good. All right, let's do safe, full flap, see what it looks like. I've got like 65% down. I've got my own rate set up, so it looks like it's doing good. It's slowing down, going downhill. Awesome. Awesome. All right, guys, we got full flaps out. We're in safe. I'm gonna put the gear out, see if it drops, because the gear does, yeah, look at that, guys. It changes it big time. It does. I mean, big time. When you put the gear out, the nose starts going down, that's for sure. All right, let's come out of safe and look at it. Yeah, it's still dropping a little, but that's fine. Level out, see what it looks like. A couple more clicks up on that, we'll be good. Oh yeah, sweet guys.
Time remaining 1 minute. Flight mode 1.
Let's check the CG out upside down. Oh yeah, definitely nose heavy. I'm pushing about 50 to 60% elevator, down elevator to keep it level. So, all right guys, let's do another full speed blast. Here we go. Flaps are up. Oh yeah, they up.
30 seconds.
Vertical, unlimited vertical, straight down. Doesn't got much on snap rolls. It ain't gonna do a whole lot of that. Oh. 4 flaps, slow it down, slowing down, going downhill. That's sweet.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
It goes pretty slow, guys.
4, 3, 2, 1. Flight mode 1. Time expired.
All right, guys, let's put it in safe.
Flight mode 3.
Put the flaps down, just so I can check the battery. That's what I like about them 3300. I still got over a quarter battery, almost a third. So it's not bad.
Flight mode 1.
Do a little bit of rudder. Yes, to be a small rudder, it works pretty good. I mean, it's just a rudder over. What's the rudder, guys? That's pretty decent. Let's see if it'll knife edge. Wow, guys, it actually knife edges. Check it out. A good knife edge, too. Wow. I don't know if I got it on video, but... All right, guys, let's put the flaps out, do a gear check, and we'll bring it in for a landing. Gear coming out. There it is. All right, guys, let's bring her in and the plane nose over. They cut the grass this week, but they must have cut it in the beginning of the week because it's a little bit higher. I mean, it's trimmed, but we'll put the flaps up as soon as it hits, hopefully.
Flight mode 1.
Oh yeah, sweet guys, it worked, it worked. A lot of water on it. Whoop, yep, a lot of water. I think I'm just gonna carry it from there. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Killer plane, I like it. Oh yeah, just check out the speed. I guess you guys might want to know the speed, huh? I am going to do, I also got a 2-bladed prop. I broke a prop on the maiden flight, on the original maiden flight, one of the propellers come off. So I broke the other side off, made it a 2-blade, but we're going to be doing speed runs on that just to, well, guys, not bad. 93.8. And there's no wind or anything, guys, so as you can see it, 93, might as well say 94 mile an hour, guys, so it's not bad at all. Can't beat that. And so, you know, it's going to be a little faster with the 2-blade probably, so, but yeah, guys, I think got some beautiful
Flight mode 3.
Beautiful split flaps, man, and they work killer too. They do.
Flight mode 1.
Oh yeah. Check out the gear. Rotate and come in when they go down and stuff. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. If you ain't subscribed to the channel yet and you like what you see, considering subscribing. Sure would appreciate it, guys. And all the new subscribers out there, thank y'all so much, man. Y'all bringing it right on up. So God bless y'all. At least till we do it again, say fine and God bless, guys. Bye.